Hi everyone, welcome back to DEPHEMEREMBER 2024. This week we are crafting a layer tag and using a retro film strip for some fun effects. It's going to be a simple yet meaningful project with a touch of inspiration from a quote by Anna Freud. If you are interested, let's get started. Welcome to the second video of this year's DEPHEMEREMBER series. If you're new here, Luise and Barbara from 49 Dragonfly host this annual event where they give us prompts to create some ephemera for our junk journals. I will use this large tag to layer it with retro film strip and a photo and a quote by Anna Freud. I still have some leftover scraps from yesterday's video and I thought I would like to include this to build up some layers. And I've printed out this sheet of film strips and I will cut out one of them to include in my collage on this large tag. This is a quote from Anna Freud. In our dreams we can have our eggs cooked exactly how we want them, but we can't eat them. And I thought this quote is perfect for this journal because it will be a present for a psychotherapist to journal her dreams in it. Okay, let's keep on going. I will use my metal ruler and a craft knife to really carefully cut out the inside of this film strip. I am cutting out all the little squares or rectangles thereof. Here you can see this was a little bit fiddly, but if you go slowly, it's nicely working. Yesterday I started off tearing out the image, and today I really would like to tear it, but I can see it matters in what direction one is tearing in regards to the white edges. So here I'm tearing out a little bit more so that I don't have a white edge. And here the very young Anna Freud. I think it's a very cute and beautiful picture actually of her. She's the daughter of Sigmund Freud and herself a psychoanalyst. And then I thought I will put this strip on top of it. Oh, I love this quote. In our dreams we can have our eggs exactly how we want them, but we cannot eat them. It's such a fantastic quote. You know, when I first heard this quote, it really hit home for me. It made me think about how often I get caught up in my dreams and ideas of what life should look like. And I mean, in my mind, I can picture everything perfectly, like having my eggs cooked just the way I like them. But here's the thing, those dreams are just that, dreams. So I can imagine all these perfect scenarios, but until I actually take action, they are just out of my reach. It's such a humbling reminder that dreaming alone is not enough. And at the same time, this quote really encourages me to think about the importance of taking these steps towards my goals. It's so easy to wish for things to be different or better without doing anything about it. So I come to realize that if I want to enjoy those perfect eggs, I need to roll up my sleeves and make it happen. So I think I'm making this challenge, this junk journal challenge happen here by showing up and following the prompts and enjoying making crafts with you guys. So I'm also really looking forward to watching all the videos of all the other creators. Don't forget, if you're one of them, to have the hashtag DEPHEMEREMBER. So I'm really excited to see what we all come up with. Oh, such a beautiful thing that Barbara and Luise are hosting here. Very nice. Okay. this quote is really, it's on my mind. So it also like encourages me to embrace imperfections in life. Like it's with these crafts we do, we are constantly confronted with things are not going to plan, but sometimes things don't go to plan, and that's totally okay. Life is rarely perfect, but there's so much beauty in what we have right now. So let's enjoy every moment of it. And like with a little bit of determination and effort, so we can do a lot of things. Yeah. Okay, I love the contrast between the color, but I would like to have the ribbon on top here. I used the ribbon before with other tags, and I like to use the same ribbon throughout my junk journal. It makes the entire thing look a little bit more cohesive, I find. And yeah, I like doing that. Yeah, this quote, being mindful, being in the moment, just crafting. So, if you ever find yourself dreaming big like I do, let's remember together that while it's wonderful to envision our ideal lives, taking action, taking the next steps is what truly makes those dreams come alive. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I love to hear your thoughts on this. If you found this reflection meaningful, feel free to share in the comments below, and thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you will have a wonderful day. Bye for now, and hope to see you next time.